Hi guys, Anita here and welcome to Anita's Cake Bakery. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to decorate Christmas cookies. Okay, let's get started.
To decorate your Christmas tree, start off by rolling your fondant icing. Use your patterned embosser and press it firmly into the fondant. Then you can gently peel back your embosser to reveal the pattern. Next you need to cut out your Christmas tree using your cookie cutter. Brush some water onto the back of your tree and then you can place the tree over your cookie. Brush your tree with a little water in random places where you'd like to place your decoration. Then gently place your sugar balls in the areas where you've brushed. Once you're happy with the areas where you've placed your sugar balls, you can leave your Christmas tree to dry. And finally, to finish off your tree, use a light dusting of white pearl luster dust. To decorate your wreath, start off by filling the entire cookie with royal icing. To decorate your cookie, I've used silver and white sugar balls in different sizes. To avoid your sugar balls going all over the place when you're decorating, it's best to place your cookie in a container. Once you've sprinkled enough balls on your cookie, you can fill in any gaps with the larger silver sugar balls. Now to make a bow for your wreath, you'll need a bow mould. Simply fill your mould with the modelling paste, leave it in the mould for a few minutes and then turn it upside down and push the bow out with your thumbs. Brush a little water onto the back of the bow and fix this to your wreath. And you can finish off your wreath cookie by dusting the bow with some luster dust. Now for your round cookie, which could resemble a Christmas bauble, I used a textured rolling pin and cut out a round circle. Attach your textured fondant circle to your cookie with a little water. Brush a strip of water along the bottom end of your cookie and then sprinkle the sugar pearls on top. Now using your tweezers, add some extra sugar balls in the areas where you think needs it the most. Pipe a straight line of royal icing on the opposite end of your cookie. And in this area, this is where you will pipe your Cornelli lace decoration. And then you need to pipe small dots just underneath where you've done the Cornelli lace. And once you've left the icing to dry for a bit, you can finally dust it with some luster dust. While I was dusting the cookie, a few of the sugar pearls fell off. So I simply replaced them with some more using my tweezers.
Enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. For future videos, make sure to subscribe, and to get notified, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.